Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Cisco Umbrella roaming client on Windows. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall the Cisco Umbrella roaming client on Windows, begin by closing the application if it is currently running. Locate the Windows Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on the Start menu to open it. In the search bar, type Control Panel and hit Enter. Once the Control Panel opens, look for the Programs option. Click on Programs to access the Program Management section. Next, select Programs and Features. This will display a list of all installed applications on your computer. Scroll through the list to find Cisco Umbrella roaming client. Once you've located it, click on it to highlight the program. At the top of the window, click on the Uninstall option. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm the uninstallation. Click Yes to proceed with the removal. The uninstallation process will begin, and it may take a few moments. Once the process is complete, a confirmation message will appear. Click OK to finish the uninstallation. To ensure that all components are removed, consider restarting your computer. After the restart, navigate back to the Programs and Features list. Double-check that Cisco Umbrella roaming client is no longer listed. If it's gone, the uninstallation was successful. Now, you have successfully uninstalled the Cisco Umbrella roaming client from your Windows computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.